Number 27. The following nuclei do not lie in the band of stability. How would they be expected to decay? And then we have Cm, right? So Cm is curium, named after Marie Curie, who I believe turned the coin. Is that the phrase? Coined the term radioactivity or radioactive, which are nucleides that do not lie in the band of stability. So curium, Cm, saying that this specific nucleide does not lie in the band of stability, so that means that it's definitely unstable and it's going to be radioactive. So this has to go through a series of decay to produce a more stable nucleide. But now there's majoritively 4 different types, right? There's beta emission, positron emission, electron capture, or alpha emission. Which one is this curium going to undergo? First things first, I would always look at the atomic numbers, because big, bad atomic number nucleides, right, are so huge. In order to become more stable, they got to get smaller. And the fastest way to do that is release a alpha particle, which is alpha emission. An alpha particle is just a fancy way for saying a helium. So you're losing mass, you're losing atomic numbers, and you're losing them pretty quickly, as opposed to alpha emission, electron capture, or positron emission. Now, over here, I have an atomic number of 96. The lower number of the two is the atomic number. And for our case and purposes, 96, that's greater than 83. So this one's got to lose mass fast. So you don't even need any more context. This is going to undergo alpha emission. And depends on, what the end result for one alpha particle. It might need to decay again and decay again and decay again until it reaches some sort of stable isotope. And that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out a little bit more. There's also memberships on the channel where we have 4 different tiers if you guys want to be a member to the channel. Thank you so much for all your support throughout this whole journey. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers at the moment, which is absolutely nuts. It's crazy. We got a lot of things coming your way this school semester, so check the channel out, and I will talk to you soon, okay? All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.